Do you know you can start a faceless Bible educational videos for kids just like the video you are seeing on the screen? This particular video you are watching on the screen was created with AI, and all the tools I used in this video were all free AI tools. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this video with free AI tools, so that by the time you finish watching this video, you will have enough information to start creating your own faceless Bible educational videos for kids for your Faceless YouTube channel. Is that what you want? Let's get right into the video. So now this is a sample video I created, and that is what you should be expecting by the end of this video.
God made everything. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. Lesson: God made the world and everything in it, including you.
So I hope you like the video you just watched. So now let me take you to my laptop, take you through the entire process step by step. Let's get right into the video. We are going to start with our script, followed by our image, then our voiceover, then lip sync, and then finally editing. This is the main process we are going to follow to create this video. Let's get started. So now let's start with the first thing, our script. You can use any script writer of your choice to write a script, but I'm going to use ChatGPT because that's what I love most. So this is a prompt I'm going to enter into ChatGPT. Give me 5 short Bible lesson for kids education. I'm going to copy this prompt like this. Now if you want me to share the prompt with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me, and I'm going to leave a link to this prompt or share the prompt with you direct. Now what I'm going to do is to open to ChatGPT like this and then enter my prompt here. So I'm going to paste this prompt here like this and click on the command button for ChatGPT to give me the script. You can see ChatGPT has given me 5 different lessons. That the first one is God made everything. Then we have be kind to others, Jesus loves you, trust God, forgive others. So these are the 5 lessons that ChatGPT has given me, short lesson. Now the next thing we are going to do is to generate our visuals using another AI tool. But before we create our visuals or generate our visuals using another AI tool, we will need a prompt. So what we are going to do is to ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt that we are going to enter into another generative AI tool. So this is a prompt I'm going to copy and give it to ChatGPT to work on it for me. So I'm going to copy it like this, then go back to ChatGPT, then paste it here like this. This is a sample prompt. Okay, so I want ChatGPT to use a sample prompt to generate the actual prompt that I'm looking for me. So I'm going to hit on the command button, and then ChatGPT will work on the prompt. So ChatGPT has misunderstood the prompt I sent or I entered. I requested for an image prompt, but ChatGPT wants to generate the image for me. So now ChatGPT has successfully provided 2 images for us. Even though we did not request for an image, we wanted a prompt, and ChatGPT decided to generate the image for us. Now the polished prompt to ChatGPT provided, this is it. We are going to copy it like this and paste it in PicLumen AI. So if you have not used PicLumen AI before, then go to your browser and type PicLumen AI like this. Now click on the first link and then click on launch app button and then open to the platform. Now what we're going to do is to move your cursor to the left and click on create button, then enter your prompt here and click on paste. Now bring your cursor here and click on the model and select one of the models. So we're going to go with the Flax one, Chanel, and then bring your cursor here, click on the image dimension. So because we are creating this one for YouTube video, we are going to click on the 16:9 aspect ratio. So now we are going to click on the number of images we want per each generation. So let's go with 2 images, then hit on the generate button to see what PicLumen 2 is also going to provide for us. So you can see the images PicLumen have provided for us. These are other images I generated earlier on. So now the next step is to generate our voiceover for this particular video. So for the voiceover, let's copy our script and go to and paste it in our Google Docs. So we're going to copy our entire script from the beginning to the end like this and edit the script. So open to your Google Docs and then right click inside and paste your script. Now we are going to edit the script. We'll first remove the numbers attached to the subtitles and then remove the activities. These are the things that we are going to remove. So let's start with this. and then remove the entire activity. Great. So we are finished editing our script. The next thing we are going to do is to generate our voiceover using any voiceover generative tool of your choice. I prefer to use 11 Labs because it gives you realistic voice. So what I'm going to do is to head over to my browser, type 11 Labs here, click on the first link, sign up if you do not have an account. But if you already have an account, just sign in into your account. So I'm going to click on go to app button and then head over to the text to speech area. So this is a text to speech area, tap on it. So what we are going to do here is to paste our script here. So let's go back to our Google Docs and copy our script. So this is a script, copy everything and then head over to 11 Labs. Now you bring your cursor to the left here and choose the voice over that you want to use. So if you're on the premium, you can get premium voices to use, but if you're not on the premium, then you are going to get one of the free ones or default ones to use. Currently, I'm using the default voices. So what I'm going to do is to select one. I've already made my selection, but if you want to make the selection, just tap on it like this and then go through the default voices available and use to generate a voiceover. So let's go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to hit on the generate button to generate my voiceover.
God wants us to treat everyone with kindness, just like Jesus did.
Great. So the next thing we are going to do is to hit on the download button and download this voiceover to our computer. Now let's move on to the next step. So the next step is to animate our image just like this one you're seeing on the screen. So to animate our image, we are going to head over to our browser and type Hedra. So click on Hedra like this. Click on Hedra AI. Is it Hedra or Hedra? And click on the first link and sign in into your account. So the moment you sign in to Hedra, it's going to ask you, what would you like to create? So I'm going to click on video. Click on the start frame here and then click on the upload image button and click on upload image button and upload our image that we intend to use for the video. Let's pick one of the images. So after going through the images PicLumen provided for me, I didn't like it, so I have to use Leonardo AI to generate this image. So I'm going to tap on this image like this and import it to Hedra. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my audio script and add the audio I use 11 Labs to generate. So click on the upload audio button and select the audio. So this is the audio, tap on it like this. If you're on the free plan, you cannot upload more than 20 seconds audio. So we are going to trim this audio from the right to the left till we get 20 seconds. So let's play it and see.
God made everything. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
Great. So we're going to stop here. And the next thing you're going to do is to click on the add to video button here and add it to our video. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on the image dimension. So tap on it and choose the dimension that we want. Because we are creating it for YouTube, we're going to maintain the 16:9 aspect ratio and then click on the resolution to choose the highest available, and that is 720 so far. Now we're going to enter our prompt here to tell the AI how we want the AI to animate this particular image. So I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it in Hedra. So if you want me to share the prompt with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me, and I'm going to share a link to this prompt with you. You can also check my Telegram community. I'll be leaving all the prompt there. Click on the link in the pinned comment section of this video and the description section of this video to have access to all the prompt that I'm using in this particular video, plus other previous prompt that I have used on my previous videos. So now I'm going to right click inside and paste the prompt here. So the prompt says, make the character talk, smile, move hands, nod head while talking. So we're going to click on the create button here and create our animation. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on the continue button and continue generating your animation. So you follow the same process to generate the animation for the rest of your audios. So while we wait for this one to be created, let me show you how to do this. So to do this, click on the start frame button and click on the upload button and then click on the same image again to import to Hedra. Then click on the audio script and click on upload audio and import the audio. So this is the audio. You need to remember where you trim the first one to and continue from there. So we are going to trim from the left to the right. So we stopped here. So we're going to start from somewhere here like this. So let's play it and see. Be kind to others. Be kind to one another. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 32. Great. So after you are done, click on the add to video button and add it to your video. Then you can go ahead and click on the create button to put the second one too in a queue. Then you can now go for your commercial break and come back for your animation later. So you're welcome back from the break. So after waiting for about 5 to 10 minutes, our animation has been created for us. This is the animation.
God made everything. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. Lesson. God made the world and everything in it, including you.
So now the next thing we are going to do is to download this thing to our computer. Just click on the download button here and download this to your computer. So now it's going to come with a watermark. So just click on the download anyway, because we are not going to commercialize this thing. But like I said, if you want to take it to the next level and you want to monetize it, you will need to go for the premium so that you can have full copyright right over this video. Copyright right. Great, so our video has been downloaded to our computer. The next thing we are going to do is to download the second one that you generated to your computer following the same step. So it's now time for us to organize these two clips using any editing app of our choice. So to do this, we are going to use CapCut to do that. So open to CapCut, click on the create project button. Now click on the import button and import your clips to CapCut. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to add these clips to my timeline. Just tap on it like this. Tap on it like this and drop it to your timeline. So now we have two clips on our timeline. The next thing we are going to do is to add transition to our clips. So to add transition, we are going to select one of the clips like this, the first one, and bring your cursor to the top here and tap on transition. Choose one of the free features available. So for the features, we are going to try this one. Let's see how it looks. Drop it here. And then let's see how it looks. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. Great. So I like this transition effect. The next thing to do is to add caption to our text. So bring your cursor here and click on captions. Then click on the generate button to auto-generate your captions. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. Great. So the next thing you're going to do is to edit the text on the screen. So we're going to format it a little. So just tap on one of the captions like this, and then bring your cursor to the top here, and then let's come to the basic. We're going to start with the basic. Tap on it like this and scroll down. So we're going to click on bold, and then the next thing we need to do is to adjust the text a bit. We're going to tap on it and increase the size a bit. Now bring your cursor to the case and choose the title case. I'm going to tap on it like this. Now the next thing we are going to do is to change the text style. So let's see, this one is fine, or this one. So either we go with this one or we go with this one. We can also go with the yellow like this, but let's go with the white. Now we can also choose any of the templates available that is free. Let's see if we can get any free template to use. Great, so we're going to go with this free template. Now let's play the video again to see how it looks. So our text is too large on the screen, so we're going to adjust it again. Beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. Great. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on the export button if there's nothing else to add or there's no other editing to do. Now bring your cursor here and click on the export button and export this video to your computer. Now you can go ahead and upload it to your YouTube channel, get monetized, and start making money on YouTube. Don't forget to bring my share anytime you start making money on YouTube. Now, what do you think about this video? Is it something that you're going to give it a try? Let me know that in the comment section. If you're already into it, you can also go ahead, share your experience with that in the comment section. Like this video if you found value in this video. Share the video with families and friends who also need this video. Also remember to leave a nice comment in the comment section for me. That's the only way you can support me to create more. I'll be leaving all the prompts in my Telegram community. Click on the link in the pinned comment section of this video. or the description section of this video. I'm going to see you in the next video.